Chapter 1. Introduction to Computers. www.palinfonet.com. p. 6. What is a computer? How is a computer defined? Electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory. Accepts data. Raw facts, figures, and symbols. Processes data into information. Data that is organized, meaningful, and useful. Produces and stores results. p. 6. Next, what is a computer? What is the information processing cycle? Input. Output. Storage. Communication. p. 6 Figure 1-2. Next. The components of a computer. What is an input device? Hardware used to enter data and instructions. Click to view web link, click Chapter 1, click web link from left navigation. Then click Input Devices below Chapter 1. p. 7 Figure 1-3. Next. The components of a computer. What is an output device? Hardware that conveys information to a user. Click to view web link, click Chapter 1, click web link from left navigation. Then click Output Devices below Chapter 1. p. 8 Figure 1-3. Next. The components of a computer. What is the system unit? Box-like case containing electronic components used to process data. p. 8 Figure 1-3. Next, the components of a computer. What are two main components on the motherboard? Central Processing Unit, CPU. Also called a processor. Carries out instructions that tell computer what to do. Memory. Temporary holding place for data and instructions. p. 8. Next, the components of a computer. What is storage? Holds data, instructions, and information for future use. Storage media. Physical material on which data, instructions, and information are stored. Storage device. Records and retrieves items to and from a storage medium. p. 8. Next, the components of a computer. What is storage media? Digital cameras. Portable, thin memory cards used in handheld computers. p. 8. Next, the components of a computer. What is a floppy disk? Thin, circular, flexible disk enclosed in rigid plastic shell. A USB flash drive is portable, and has much greater storage capacity. p. 8 Figure 1-4. Next, the components of a computer. What is a flash drive? Provides much greater storage capacity than a floppy disk or zip disk. Small and lightweight enough to be transported on a keychain or in a pocket. p. 9 Figure 1-5. Next. The components of a computer. What is a hard disk? Provides much greater storage capacity than a floppy disk or USB flash drive. Housed inside the system unit. p. 9 Figure 1-6. Next, the components of a computer. What is a compact disc? Flat, round, portable metal disc. CD-ROM. CD-RW. DVD-ROM. DVD plus RW. p. 9 Figure 1-7. Next. Networks and the Internet. What is a network? Collection of computers and devices connected together. Communications device. Communications media. Cables. Satellites. Enables a connection between computers. Cellular radio. Telephone lines. One type is a modem. P10. Next. Networks and the Internet. What are the reasons to network? To share resources, hardware devices, software programs. To save time and money. Data. Information. P10. Next, networks and the Internet. What is a server? Manages the resources on a network. A client accesses the resources on the server. P10 Figure 1.8. Next, networks and the Internet. What is the Internet? Worldwide collection of networks that connects millions of computers. Click to view web link, click Chapter 1, click web link from left navigation. Then click Internet below Chapter 1. P11 Figure 1.9. Next, networks and the Internet. Why do users access the Internet? Communications, information, shopping, banking and investing, classes, entertainment. P12 Figure 1.10. Next, networks and the Internet. What is the web? Billions of documents, called web pages, available to anyone connected to the Internet. A website is a collection of related web pages. A web page contains text, graphics, sound, video, and links to other web pages. You can share information by creating web pages or posting photos on a photo community. P13. Next. Computer software. How do you install a software program? A program is a series of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Click to view web link, click Chapter 1, click web link from left navigation. Then click Computer Programs below Chapter 1. P14 Figure 1.13. Next. Computer software. What is a graphical user interface, GUI? Allows you to interact with the software using graphics and icons. Controls how you enter data and how the screen displays information. P14 Figure 1.14. Next. Computer software. What is system software? Programs that control the operations of the computer and its devices. Operating system, OS, is a set of programs that coordinates all activities among computer hardware devices and allows users to run application software. Utility programs allow the user to perform maintenance-type tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices or its programs. P15. Next. Presentation graphics. Computer software. What is application software? Programs that perform specific tasks for users. Word processing. Spreadsheet. Database. Presentation graphics. Click to view web link, click Chapter 1, click web link from left navigation. Then click Application Software below Chapter 1. P16 Figure 1.15. Next. Computer software. What is a programmer? JavaScript program. Someone who develops application or system software. Programmer writes instructions to direct computer to process data into information. Resulting Internet application. P17 Figure 1.16. Next. Categories of computers. What are the categories of computers? Personal computers, desktop, mobile computers and mobile devices, mid-range servers, mainframe computers, supercomputers. P18. Next, personal computers. What are the two most popular series of personal computers? Apple Macintosh uses the Macintosh operating system, Mac OS. PC and compatibles use the Windows operating system. Click to view web link, click Chapter 1, click Web link from left navigation. Then click Personal Computers below Chapter 1. P. 19 Figures 118 119. Next. Personal computers. What is a desktop computer? Designed so all of the components fit on or under a desk or table. P. 19 Figure 118. Next. Personal computers. What is a notebook computer? Portable, small enough to fit on your lap. Also called a laptop computer. Generally more expensive than a desktop computer. Click to view web link, click Chapter 1, click Web link from left navigation. Then click Notebook Computers below Chapter 1. P. 20 Figure 120. Next. Handheld computers. What is a tablet PC? Resembles a letter-sized slate. Allows you to write on the screen using a digital pen. Especially useful for taking notes. P. 20 Figure 121. Next. Handheld computers. What are web-enabled handheld computers? Allow you to check email and access the Internet. Web-enabled telephone is a smartphone. P. 21 Figure 123. Next. Handheld computers. What is a handheld computer? Small enough to fit in your hand. Used by mobile employees such as meter readers and delivery people. P. 21. Next.